everyone, welcome to TechGeek Live. Today we are tackling the LeetCode problem largest number using Quicksort. I'll guide you through the code and explain each part in detail. Let's get started. We want to solve the problem of forming the largest number from a list of integers. To do this, we'll use Quicksort to sort the numbers in a specific order. So here's the plan. Number 1, sort the numbers using Quicksort. Number 2, concatenate the sorted numbers. Number 3, handle edge cases. Let's write and explain the code step by step. First, we need to sort the numbers based on how their concatenations compare. We'll use Quicksort for this. Here's the largest number function. In the largest number function, we start by calling Quicksort to sort our numbers. After sorting, we concatenate them into a single string, largest num. Finally, we check if this string starts with 0. If it does, that means all the numbers were zeros, so we return 0. Otherwise, we return the concatenated result. Now let's dive into Quicksort function. In Quicksort, we first check if the subarray has one or no elements. If so, it's already sorted, so we return immediately. Otherwise, we call the partition function to rearrange the elements around a pivot. After partitioning, we recursively sort the left and right subarrays. So here's the partition function which rearranges the elements around the pivot. We choose the rightmost element as the pivot. We then loop through the elements, comparing each one with the pivot using our custom compare function. So if an element should come before the pivot, we move it to the left part of the array. After rearranging, we place the pivot in its correct position and return its index. The compare function determines if one number should come before another. In compare, we convert two numbers to strings and concatenate them in both possible orders. We then compare these concatenated strings. If the concatenation of first num plus second num is greater than second num plus first num should come before second num. This comparison ensures that when we sort the array, the resulting concatenation of the numbers will be the largest possible. So that's how we use Quicksort to solve the LeetCode problem largest number. By sorting the numbers based on their concatenated values and handling edge cases, we efficiently form the largest number possible. So if you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.